Hello kids. Today's topic is two words reading practice. Let's start with the first one. WAKE wake up wake up. GET READY ready get ready. DO THIS this do this. EAT eat SLOWLY slowly eat slowly. STOP stop TALKING talking stop talking. LETS let's play let's play. STAND stand up stand up. SIT sit DOWN down sit down. THANK thank YOU thank you. HAVE have WATER water have water. come here come here. Go SLOW slow go slow. try AGAIN again try again. have FOOD food have food. TURN turn AROUND around turn around. DRINK drink water drink water. ask me ask me. KEEP keep QUIET quiet keep quiet. GET get up. STUDY study here study here. SPEAK speak up speak up. WATCH watch CAREFULLY carefully watch carefully. DO eat do it. Go STRAIGHT straight go straight. REPEAT repeat it repeat it. CLEAN clean it clean it. GIVE give me give me. come come in. SHOW show me show me. Go, go. Head, ahead. Go ahead. All. Done, done. All done. It's. Mine, mine. It's mine. Chew, well, chew well. Careful, be careful. Now let's revise all the sentences. Wake up, get ready, do this, eat slowly, stop talking, let's play, stand up, sit down, thank you, have water, come here, go slow, try again, have food, turn around, drink water, ask me, keep quiet, get up, study here, speak up, watch carefully, do it, go straight, repeat it, clean it, give me, come in, show me, go ahead, all done, chew well, it's mine, be careful. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos.